If you've ever looked at a job ads in another country and thought, yeah, they want an absolute wizard, this video is for you. Because the truth is, moving abroad through tech in 2026 is not just for super geniuses, people with 5 passports, or someone who somehow has the perfect LinkedIn profile and a 6-figure salary at 23. Most of us are trying to survive meetings, fix broken builds, and figure out why the printer is still a problem in 2026. Welcome to the Average Tech Dad channel. My name is Toby, and in this video, I'm going to show you the tech skills that can actually help you immigrate in 2026, the countries that want those skills, and how to make yourself a more realistic candidate without buying loads of new gear or reinventing yourself. And watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you a simple way to figure out which skill country combination gives you the best chance of making the move. Now let's get one thing straight. Immigration systems do not care if you have watched 143 tutorial videos, built half a project, and have a future full stack developer in your bio. What they care about is whether your skills are useful, in demand, and backed up by real experience. So you are in software development, cloud, DevOps, cybersecurity, or AI, you're already in a much better position than you might think. And no, knowing how to center a div doesn't automatically make you immigration ready. First up, software development. If you can build real products, not just hello world tutorials, you're already in the game. That means web apps, APIs, dashboards, backend system, internal tools, and anything that can actually solve real problems. So languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, Node, Django, all of them still matter. Second, cloud DevOps. This is one of the biggest areas because companies everywhere need people who can deploy things, automate things, and stop things from breaking at the worst possible time. If you know Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, or infrastructure basics, you are much more useful than someone who says they like tech.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Third, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a strong part because every country seems to be saying the same thing. We need more security people and we need them like yesterday. If you understand network security, cloud security, incident response, or threat detection, that can be a serious advantage. Fourth, data and AI. This is still a huge space. Companies want people who can clean data, build useful systems, and turn all that into information that can actually help businesses. And then there's soft skills, communication, teamwork, documentation, and being able to work with people in different time zones without disappearing for 3 days. That part matters more than people like to admit. Now let's talk about where all these skills can actually take you. Canada is still one of the most talked about options for tech workers. If you have software, cloud data, or cybersecurity skills, it's a country worth looking at seriously. Germany is another strong option, especially for IT, engineering related jobs, and if you want a more practical skill focused route. Germany is definitely one to keep on the list. Australia continues to be interesting for skilled workers too, especially if you have experience in areas they need. And the UK still has opportunities through sponsored roles, but you usually need to be more intentional about matching salary thresholds, employer sponsorship, and the right role. There are also digital nomad routes in some countries if you just want to live somewhere else while keeping your current remote job. That's a different part though. More lifestyle, less permanent settlement. Now here's the part people skip. You do not need every skill. You need the right skills and you need proof. So here's the move. Pick one skill, lean into that. If you already do web development, maybe move towards backend, cloud, or DevOps. If you are in IT, maybe start moving towards cybersecurity or infrastructure. If you already work with data, lean into analytics, AI-related job roles. Then build proof. A proper GitHub profile, a portfolio, a few strong projects, and a CV that sounds like a real person wrote it, not a confused robot trying to impress HR. And if it makes sense, one certification that can support the direction you're going in. So here's the simple version. Step 1, pick a country. Step 2, pick a stack. Step 3, build projects that match real job ads. Step 4, update your CV on LinkedIn, GitHub. Step 5, start applying with intention instead of panic, because random applications rarely work. It's a bit like throwing spaghetti at the wall, except the wall is an immigration system and the spaghetti is your career. So that's the big picture. Your tech skills can absolutely help you move in 2026, but only if you choose the right skills. focus them properly, and build real proof around them. If this video helped you, make sure to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so you get a reminder when a new video is released. And drop a comment with the tech stack and country you want to move to, because I might just turn that into the next video. If you have not watched my last video on his tech guide in 2026, check it out here. I've also included a free 2026 passport cheat sheet in the description, plus a viral link I found on Twitter listing every UK employer currently offering sponsorship. I'm Toby, and this is the Average Tech Dad channel. I'll see you in the next one.